Hey YouTubers, this is a video about my 2004 BMW R1150RT. Love the bike. My only complaint is I have some serious comfort issues with this seat. It seems to kind of tip forward while it's on the motorcycle, so I have some serious discomfort issues with the area of that seat in my body. Not going to go over that anyway, but looking in some forums, I was able to find some suggestions on how to make, because I'm at this point of either ditching this seat and buying a seat, which is very expensive, so I'm trying to find a cheaper resolution to this. So basically, you can trim the support posts on these seats. If I can slide this one off of here. So what I did is I trimmed off about 5/16 off the height of that stud, and then I trimmed the same amount off of the rubber bump stop that actually sits within inside the motorcycle. And what that does is it lowers the rear of the seat back on there by about that 5/16 height, which I was told, well, reading in those forums, increased the comfort by quite a bit, from being able to ride a couple hours and not go numb to 4 to 5 hours and not being numb. So I haven't had an opportunity to actually go for a ride and try it, but I'm hoping that dropping the back of that seat back a little bit will put more of my weight here. It seems like a good option. I wanted to share it out there. It's pretty easy. All you need is a hacksaw blade. I just used a quick hacksaw, cut off that. I figured worst comes to worst, doesn't work out, I could always glue those back on, pop that back on there, and nobody would ever really know. But I wanted to share that. Good luck. Good riding season. Bye.